In this video, we'll look at how to reset the firmware on the IXH camera system. This camera does not have an interface, so resetting this is done in a slightly different way. On the side of the camera you can see a small hole where we'll insert a pin or a needle to push a small button in here. Once you've inserted the needle to push the button, insert the power supply on the back. Once you've done this, you'll see the light on the camera flash and then turn red. This will then take a few minutes to reset. You can tell when the camera has fully reset by the light turning green. In this video we've sped up this process as it can take a few minutes.